Hey you guys, welcome back to Time to Unwine. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what are some of the best sweet wines for beginners. Also, you guys, please stay to the end. I'm going to actually be giving my opinion of what are the best for sweet wines. And I'm also going to give you some food suggestions that you can actually compare with those wines. These wines have just the right amount of sweetness and it's really bursting with flavor. So basically, if you take a sip of this wine, it's very refreshing with any type of meal. So the wines that we're going to be talking about today are actually wines that are in our OneHope community. So whenever you purchase a wine through OneHope, you're actually helping save the world. You're making a really good impact on the world. Right now, you guys, I want you to stay with me and I will be right back. All right, you guys, welcome back. Thanks for staying. So we're going to jump right into this. I'm going to talk about the best sweet wines for beginners. If you want to read more about what we're talking about, I'm going to also leave the article in the link below so you guys can read more up on the article and basically learn more about sweet wines for beginners. All right, you guys, let's dive in. So the first runner-up for the best first sweet wine for beginners is the California Moscato sparkling wine. So with this wine, it's enticing citrus, blossom, and juicy white peach aromas blend effortless with a delicious sweetness, lemon drop candy, and tangy mandarin, basically leading to a balanced finish for this wine. So you guys, this wine, as you know, is sweet, it's medium, it's crisp, it's at a good 12%. And some of the good food pairing that you actually can pair with this wine is a creamy cheesecake, some spicy spaghetti, and also some bruschetta. And the second runner-up for the sweetest wine for the beginners is Monterey County Reserve Riesling. If it's wrong, you guys, I'm sorry. So anyway, this wine is from a cool climate. Monterey showing expressive stone fruits, kiwi, flower aromas, and a touch of citrus zest in the finish. We have fresh flowers and stone fruit with a touch of minerally. The sweetness of this wine is a little off dry, but it's still sweet. It's light medium, alcohol level of a 12.5%. And with this wine, you can pair some different type of foods. Like you can do some desserts, sugar cookies, some gouda cheese, and you might can even do a Chinese chicken salad. All right, you guys, we're at the third runner-up for the best sweet wines for beginners. That third wine is North Coast Reserve Muscat. This Muscat is lively and fresh with a balanced acidity and a touch of sweetness. Fresh ripe peaches and flavorful lemon notes are accompanied by lily aromas. So you guys, the sweetness is kind of off dry, but it's still sweet. It's a light medium. It's at a good 13.1% in alcohol. And the food pairing for this will be like some cold Thai noodles. You have some Hawaiian pizza, or either you can eat some goat cheese with it. Okay, you guys, the last final wine that is best for us beginners, I'm not a beginner, but that are best for beginners is Monterey County Reserve. Okay, you guys, look, I do not know how to pronounce this word, so I'm going to let Google pronounce it for you.
Gewurztraminer.
Y'all heard what she said? Let's play it again.
Gewurztraminer.
That part, because I don't know how to pronounce it. So, all right, you guys, this wine is an exotic wine with passion fruit aromas with a hint of spice. The mouthfeel is full of flavor with honey-like finishes. So you guys, this wine sweetness is sweet. It's medium, It's very soft, and it's coming in at a 12.2% of alcohol level. So some good pairing for this with some food would be like, you can do some cheese, some blue cheese. You can do some coconut curry, or you can do some melon. So in conclusion, you guys, I'm going to give you my favorite wine, which you should already know. It's the California Moscato sparkling wine. Any wine that is sweet and it gives you that bubbly feeling on your tongue, this is a must-have. I'm telling you, it's a must-have. So to be honest with you guys, any type of sparkling Moscato coming from California is the best to me. The sweetness of their wine is the best for me. So you got my opinion, you guys. It's comment time. So I would like to know what type of wines you like. Is it dry, semi-dry, semi-sweet, etc.? You let your girl know what type of wine you like. Leave it down there in the comment section, okay? So if you want to learn more, or if you just want to shop with your girl, please feel free to click that link below in the description and go ahead and shop with your girl. And also, if you found value to this video, let me know. Please remember to like and share, because everybody needs that good time to unwind. So you guys, I'll see you on the next video. And I'm out.